So hello friends, in this video I am going to we are going to make this kind of practical book which I already saw. So let's start. So first what we have to do, I am going to open a blank slide, then go to the rectangle and bring one rectangle here. Yeah, okay. Now going to press Ctrl D for this. And, yeah, and hold the control, select both, and Control G for group. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to the format tab and go to the align option and go to the center. Yeah, this is in center. Now I'm go to the left side, select this and right click and duplicate the slide. Yeah. Now I'm going to the blank slide, or now we are going to the going to make a spiral effect. So I'm select one all scene. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Fill with black color. Yeah. Little. Okay. Now Control D for copy this and here. Now go to the rounded shape rectangle and bring it here to right. I'm going to the fill with white. Outline is no, and go to the format tab and save effect. I'm going to the bring the shadow here. This time, yeah, and glow. Yeah, okay. Now press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl G for group all. Now hold Shift button in keyboard and keep size smaller. Yeah. Now Ctrl C for selecting this and go here and press Ctrl V. Go. Or make it a little bit smaller, I guess. Hold Shift button and make it smaller. Yeah. And now press Ctrl D for duplicating this. Now once again select this. Okay, now press Ctrl D again. Yeah, and multiple times. Yeah, I'm done with this. Yeah, now go to the left side and duplicate the slide. Okay, I'm selecting this left side of rectangle and delete this. Okay, so this is look like a book. So I'm writing here edit text and front page of like practical book. Control A, select all, make it uppercase, bold, and sorry, go to the little bigger like 40. Done. And now I am going to the fill with some interesting color. Yeah. Or go to the texture. Okay, and bring some color like this one. Yeah, it look more dark. Okay, good. Now select slide number third and control D for duplicating this. Okay, now select third number and select the right side of say and delete this. Okay, now I am here, last page, done, and control A here, up, sorry, uppercase, and selecting the size like 40 and it's bigger. Okay, select the shape, fill with, go to the texture and select the snap. It is the last page. Now select this and drag to the last. Done. So now we have this much of shape. Now I am going to the fill with this, like this kind of some other color you can fill with, or white, maybe I guess, yeah, light green. That. So now we are making a practical book. So what I have to go done is I am selecting the line here and okay, right, okay, I'm going to delete this, select this, hold the shift button so it is making it straight. Okay, yeah, it looks straight, and now I'm adjusting this further. Yeah, and outline text is what kind of this one, right, and color, which color you want, with I want darker green. Yep. Now control D for duplicating this, and now, yep. Now again press control D multiple times. Yeah, okay, done. So this is how I make my page. So now go to the left side and select third number slide and copy this, or duplicate this slide, control D, pressing multiple time, control D. Yeah, deleting this slide. Okay, now this is our we can make a as many as slide which you want, right? Yeah, so now I am deleting the first number slide, like I am here, okay, right here I am, like page 1, control A and make this red. Yep, control A and a bigger size so you can easily track. Control C, go to the next page and here select this shape and edit text, control V, so you can have page 2. Yeah, it's visible, I think. Control A and done. Now it is sorry, page 3, page 3. Yep, and control A and it will bold. Yeah, and now it's D, and here we go, and edit text, control V. Okay, sorry. page 4, control A, and red and size bigger and bold. Yep. So almost ready. Now what we have to do is go to the left side and press select a slide and press Control A for selecting all the slides. Now hold the control button in keyboard and then deselect slide number 1. Yeah, yeah. Now go to the transition and go to the drop down menu, and here you select page garbage, this kind of transition. So I click on that. Now as you see, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a star mark here, so it shows the uh, from 2 onwards there is a transition effect. Now go to the, let's see how it's looking. Go to the slideshow. Yep, I'm pressing space bar for next page. Yep, it's page number 1, it's page number 2, it's page number 3, 4, and it's final. So this is how we can make a practical book in PowerPoint, or you can add a multiple pages in there. So I hope you like it. Thank you.